Today we're going to learn the solitary game, Killer Kings. Please subscribe, like, and comment. The power of the cards compels you. The object of the game is to flip over the cards and put them in order from ace to horse, which would be like a queen. However, you cannot reveal 4 kings. If you reveal all 4 kings, your game is over, you lose. The way to ultimately win is to flip over all the cards before getting the 4th king. Now that's pretty tricky to do because the odds are very much stacked against you that you won't hit 4 kings before you reveal all the cards. However, I've created a scoring scheme that lets you get points for certain rows or certain columns. So the game is a little bit more interesting. You can play a few times and accumulate 21 points and win that way too. The game uses a 40 card Italian style deck, or you can use a poker deck and remove the 8s, 9s, and 10s. I'm gonna use a very tiny deck. It's a Piacentini Italian deck. I got this in Italy. I just love it. It's the perfect travel deck. They're tiny cards and they're everything you need to play this game and other Italian games. I'm not sure if you can buy this deck, but if you can find it, it's definitely worth a grab. They're Piacentini Mignons and they are very small. To start the game, shuffle your cards and then create 4 rows of 9 cards, like this. Okay, so this is our house and these are different rooms. Let's imagine this is a murder mystery. There's a group of killers at large. They're the kings. If you see a king, they've taken a life. We want to find everybody in their safe place before the final king has taken its last victim. So that's basically the story, but what we want to do is run these rows ace through queen. So ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Jack or the Fonte card, and the Cavallo or Queen card if you're playing with a poker style deck. So how do you begin? Well, you've dealt out all but 4 cards, and those are your play cards. So you take the first one and you flip it over. I have a 3 of sticks or bastone or clubs. So the 3 would be going in the 3rd position. Now, where do they go? Which row? That's up to you. You can start at the top, you can start in the middle, you can go at the bottom. Let's just start at the top to make this easier. I flip over the card. All right, so now I have the horse of clubs. That'll go in the final spot. So now that I've established this is the clubs row, I'll put it in the clubs row in the horse column, the final one. So you see what's happening here. As I put a card down, I reveal another card. This is the 5 of denari. So that's 3, 4, 5. That will go there. I could put it here or here. And now I've established that as denari. And I revealed my first killer king. Okay, so we've lost 1 life. There are 3 lives left. You have 4 lives before the game is over. Put that up there. All right, so I still have 3 cards, 3 lives left, and I will flip over the next card. It's a 5 of bastone. That'll go right above this 5 in the bastone row. And now I have a spade, spades, horse, and I can put that in this row or that row. Okay, this is the ace card. This is the ace of cups, and I haven't established the cups yet, but there's only 1 row left unestablished. That would be that row. So you can see what's happening. 1, 3, 5, 9. So we'll fill those in. Here's another ace, the ace of bastone or clubs. That will go there. The 4 will go here. So once you get the hang of it, you can move quicker. Don't move too quick though, because then you put a 5 in the 4 spot and you kind of screw up the game. So this is a 6. It goes in the spades here. And the 7 of cups goes here. The Fonte or Jack of money goes there. Here's the horse. So we're starting to fill in the house where we're declaring everybody safe. If they're in the right place, they're safe. The king can't get them. The 5 of swords goes here. The 3 of coins goes there. The ace of coins goes here. And we're likely to hit a king at any moment now because we've flipped over a lot of cards. The jack goes here, and sure enough, there it is, killer king. We're down to 2 lives. We still have a lot of spaces to save, a lot of people to save here. And we go back to our original pile. We flip over the next card. It is a Fonte or Jack of clubs. That goes there. The 2 of swords goes here. The ace of swords goes here. The 5 of cups goes here. So now we have all the 5s are safe. The 2 of coins goes here. The 3 of swords goes here. The 7 of coins goes here. The 4 of cups goes here. The 7 of clubs goes here. And, well, there's the next killer king, the 3rd killer king. So we only have one chance to save all the rest of the people. But we have saved all the 5s, all the aces. And that plays into the scoring scheme that I have set up, which I'll show you once we get to our final king. So flip over the last life. It's a 2 of clubs, a 7 of spades or swords, a 6 of cups, a 6 of suns or coins, 4 of swords, a horse of cups, a 3 of cups. I can't believe this. We might actually win this. Fonte, 6. Oh my God. Okay. So we won. That was not planned. Doesn't usually happen. And I just got really lucky. The final card that we flipped over was the last killer king. We caught him. That's how you can win. Probably not how you're likely to win. So let me just set up another one real quick, and I'll show you what happens if you don't win. If you win, you win. That's great. You probably don't need to play for a while. Go out there, buy a lottery ticket. Today is your lucky day. Okay, so I've set up another round. I've played through. I've revealed 3 of the killer kings. I'm down to my last life here. Flip it over. It's an ace of coins. Put that in place. 5 of spades. And there it is. There's the final killer king. My game is over. So in this case, all 4 kings have killed and we are out of lives. So that's the end of the game. Now, you could just take it all away, shuffle it, and try again. And you could do that all day and not win. It's hard to win this game. So what I've created is a way to keep a score so you can hit a number and then feel like you've played this game enough and you've won. My kids like to play this way. And so what I've done is I've given point values to all the cards of the same number that you've saved and all for the same row you've saved. So the way I do it is 1 point for all the vertical columns. So all the aces together, that's 1 point. All the 5s, 2, all the 6s, 3. So 3 points for that. And then I give 3 points for a suit. If you can clear a whole suit, right here, we have all of the sticks or bastone. That's another 3 points. So I've earned 1, 2, 3 plus 3. That's 6 points. And I played a 21. So if you had, I don't know, 3 suits done, that would be 9 points right away. And then you had a few number cards in columns, you could get up to 11, 12, 13 points. It's a good way to play the game and feel satisfied about winning or losing because you will ultimately hit the number 21 and you can be done. That's the scoring method I use. Vertically, 1 point for all matches. So all the 5s, all the 6s, all the aces in this case, and 3 points for the horizontal wins where you clear out a whole suit. In this case, bastone has all been cleared out. If we had done bastone and spade, that would be 6 points there. And so that's the way I play Killer Kings. It's super fun game, super simple. There's no skill here whatsoever. It's just for fun. Good way to kill time and to use those Italian cards. So I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you play it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks.